Hi my lovelies, how are you? I'm doing good. Hope you guys are doing good too. I have a little more energy today guys. Maybe I think I'm kind of nearing my delivery, so I'm excited, I believe. At the same time I'm nervous too. I have no idea how is it going to be, and I don't know how I'm going to create videos, how I'm going to upload, and lot of confusion. Let's see, let's grow with the flow. So yeah guys, today I've come up with a review and kind of I'm going to do a demo in front of you guys. Let's see how this product is working. I'm going to do a home facial. Basically I'm a person, I never do facial in the parlor guys. I've stopped doing it. I prefer my own DIYs and other face packs at home. If so, also if I want to do facial, I used to do it at my home only. So today I'm going to tell you how to do a facial at home. Let's get into the video. So I have 3 packages with me. This is all facial kits guys. This is from the brand called ALPSGOODNESS. This is available in purple.com, purple app, and this is even available. They have a page in Instagram too. I know a lot of people are talking about this facial kit, and this cost very cheap. This cost rupees I'm searching where it is guys, where it is. There's no rate. How come there is no rate? Or am I not able to see? Oh, it is there guys. This is cost rupees 125. Can you imagine facial at home for rupees 125, and it's a trusted brand too. So yes, so I have 3 kits with me. First one, let's talk about dragon fruit brightening facial kit. This is, they have written, dragon fruit contains vitamin C which aids in skin brightening. Yeah, we all know that. So carrot oil balances the moisturizing level in skin. Shea butter keeps skin soft and suitable for all skin types. This product claim all these. So yeah, this is dragon fruit brightening facial kit. So second kit which I have is gold glow facial kit with saffron. So this product claims gold helps in preventing premature aging. Yeah. Saffron helps in skin brightening. Yes. Apricot helps in buffing away the dead skins and imparts radiance. Yes. And suitable for normal to oily skin type. Normal to oily skin type. I come under combination skin or normal skin. Okay, fine. So this is gold facial kit. And the third kit which we have is Tea Tree Clear Skin Facial Kit. This product claims Tea Tree helps treat acne. Yes, we all know that. Lemongrass aids in brightening skin. Okay. Rose helps tone the skin. Suitable for normal to oily skin type. So yes, today let's try what facial kit. Okay, let's do this gold glow facial kit guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, we have sachets. Here are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 step sachets. The first step is cleansing. On damp face, gently massage and cleanse for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it off with water. So first we're going to do this. See, this sachet looks quite big guys. Yeah, so 2 people can use it. I'm sure about it because it's too much only. See, when 1 sachet, this half is enough for me. So you can use it twice, but as it's sachet we can't store it, right? Better grab a partner, okay? If somebody is available at home, or call any of your friends and join them for your facial session. Right now I have my mom, my parents have come to Hyderabad, so I have my mom, so I'll give the half to her, let her also get the benefit. Let's see how it works. So okay, Let's cleanse. This is got a, see, this has got a thread like, some particles, thread like particles. They mentioned you have to cleanse it for 3 to 5 minutes, which is too much. Let's see if I have patience. Yeah. So let me finish cleansing and I'll go to bathroom and wash my face and come back. Okay. Actually, what I feel is like this cleansing itself, like, made my skin little brighter. That's what I feel. It's a good cleansing milk. Okay. Step number 2 is gold facial kit. This is scrub. Step number 2 is a scrub. Scrub over your damp face for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse off with water and pat dry. 3 to 5 minutes again. Okay. The scrub is very creamy in consistency. Very mild too. Smells good. So post scrubbing your face, if you have this blackhead extractor, you can use this, or if you don't have, no issues. So yeah. So step number 3 is massage cream. Massage the cream all over your face in small upward and outward circles. Upward and outward circles, okay, for 12 to 15 minutes. Let's see. Okay. Cream really got absorbed into the skin while massaging. So yep. So this is our 4th step, that is mud mask. Okay, gently apply a thin layer of mud mask all over the face. Wait for 15 minutes or till mud mask dries and wash it off with water and pat dry. Okay. So as per the instruction, I have applied a very thin layer. Let me wait for 15 minutes and wash it off and come and meet you. So that's it, we are done with our step. There is one last step left out. Yep. This is step number 5. This SPF lotion. I don't need SPF lotion now because right now time 9 PM in the night. So I don't think I need SPF. I'll use it in the morning. So for rupees 135, this ALPSGOODNESS facial kit is worth. Trust me, they have 5 different sachets, 5 different steps. I'm liking the result. My skin is feeling so soft. I can see that brightness when compared to my first step, right? So let it be any facial. If you do it in the parlor also, you need that 24 hours to show the result, right? So I hope it will be much better next day. So yes, thank you so much. So 2020, I'm so excited. I have a new family member coming in my family. I can't really wait. So let's not spread hate. Let's uplift each other. Let's support each other. Let's spread positivity. Stay healthy, stay gorgeous. Happy New Year. Stay happy, guys. Bye-bye. I'll catch another interesting video soon. So bye. Happy New Year.